Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Are you ready to upgrade your Chevy Colorado with the best LED headlights on the market? Today, I'm excited to share with you the world's top 5 best LED headlights specifically tailored for your Chevy Colorado. Whether you're looking to enhance visibility, improve style, or increase safety on the road, these headlights are guaranteed to meet your needs. From easy installation to superior brightness and durability, each product on this list has been carefully selected to provide you with the ultimate driving experience. So, if you're ready to take your truck's lighting to the next level, check the link in the description below. Let's dive in and find the perfect headlights for your Chevy Colorado. Number 1. Dynasty Pit66 Dual LED DRL Headlights Assembly and Bumper Lamps, the ultimate upgrade for Chevy Colorado, GMC Canyon, and Isuzu I-Series vehicles from 2004 to 2012. Crafted with precision from high-quality ABS plastic and polycarbonate materials, these headlights boast exceptional durability against impacts and water, ensuring longevity in all conditions. Installation is a breeze with their plug-and-play design, requiring no modifications. Simply bolt them on for a seamless OE replacement that revitalizes your vehicle's look instantly. Each set includes both driver and passenger side headlights equipped with LED daytime running light bars, enhancing visibility and style on the road. Designed to improve nighttime and adverse weather visibility, these headlights use halogen bulbs for robust brightness. They feature a clear lens and a sleek black housing that complements the vehicle's aesthetics while adhering to OEM specifications for fit and function. Compatible with Chevy Colorado, GMC Canyon, and select Isuzu I-Series models, excluding extreme models, these headlights ensure superior visibility, helping drivers navigate safely and confidently. Whether you're upgrading worn-out factory units or seeking to enhance your vehicle's appearance and safety features, the Dynasty Pit66 Dual LED DRL Headlights Assembly and Bumper Lamps are the ideal choice for discerning drivers looking for the best LED headlights for Chevy Colorado. Number 2. Star's LED Headlights for 2004 to 2012 Chevy Colorado, designed to elevate your driving experience with enhanced visibility and sleek aesthetics. Engineered to fit seamlessly into 04-12 GMC Canyon and 06-08 Isuzu I-Series models, these headlights are a perfect blend of style and functionality. The high beam uses HB3/9005 bulbs and low beam HB4/9006 bulbs not included, ensuring optimal brightness in various driving conditions. Star ensures top-tier quality with UV-absorbent and surface hardening treatment on premium OE-grade lens, preventing color fading and enhancing durability. The headlights feature parabolic reflectors that maximize light brightness, distance, and width, ensuring improved visibility during dark, stormy, or rainy weather. The weather-sealed design, coupled with a robust polycarbonate lens and fully sealed housing, guarantees resistance to harsh weather and tough road conditions, keeping your headlights protected from rain, snow, and sand. Installation is straightforward with a direct OE replacement design that requires minimal modification. Though professional installation is recommended for optimal results, the plug-and-play setup provides a factory-installed look once mounted. Whether you're upgrading for performance, aesthetics, or safety, Star's LED headlights promise to make your Chevy Colorado stand out on the road with a cool, new look that enhances both style and visibility. For any queries, Star offers responsive customer service, ensuring peace of mind post-purchase. Number 3. Pit66 LED DRL Headlights, your perfect upgrade for the best LED headlights for Chevy Colorado. These headlights are specifically designed to be compatible with 2004 to 2012 Chevy Colorado, 2004 to 2012 GMC Canyon, 2006 Isuzu i280 i350, and 2007 to 2008 Isuzu i290 i370 models, making them a versatile choice for a range of vehicles. With reference part numbers 193289544, 193289555, 207666569, and 207666570, you can ensure a precise fit. One of the standout features of these headlights is their safety and durability. The microprism reflector and chrome finish enhance light reflectivity, significantly improving nighttime visibility and ensuring oncoming vehicles can see you clearly. The innovative one-way vent design helps to dissipate moisture, prolonging the lifespan of your headlights. Constructed with a fully sealed, heavy-duty housing made from high-quality plastic, these headlights offer exceptional weather resistance, impact resistance, and durability, making them a reliable choice for all driving conditions. Installation is a breeze with these headlights, designed for direct replacement without leaving any extra gaps. While professional installation is recommended, the package includes a complete set of headlights for both the driver, left, and passenger, right, sides. Please note that bulbs are not included. Upgrade your vehicle's lighting system with the Pit66 LED DRL headlights for enhanced safety, durability, and style. Enjoy a brighter, clearer driving experience and ensure your vehicle stands out with these top-quality headlights. Number 4. Tuster 4PCS Headlight Assembly Set, the ideal replacement for 2004 to 2012 Chevy Colorado, 2004 to 2012 GMC Canyon, and 2006 to 2008 Isuzu I-Series models. This top-notch assembly set promises an upgrade with unmatched features and performance. Designed for compatibility with high beam bulb type 9005 and low beam bulb type 9006, it ensures perfect fitment without the hassle. The premium design incorporates a special surface coating that makes the lens scratch-proof, adhering to DOT and SAE regulations for safety and durability. Its plug-and-play operation means a seamless replacement of the stock unit, while the fully sealed, waterproof, and dust-resistant construction guarantees longevity and resilience against harsh elements. Experience enhanced visibility with brighter headlights that improve nighttime and extreme weather driving, ensuring your safety on the road. The Tuster set includes OEM part numbers 151341994, 151479330, 207666569, 207666570, and parts link numbers GM2502234, GM2503234, offering direct compatibility and reliability. With a 30-day hassle-free return policy and a 1-year unlimited replacement promise, Tuster stands by its commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. This headlight assembly set is perfect for those seeking the best LED headlights for their Chevy Colorado, providing a superior driving experience with enhanced safety and visibility. Number 5. Aken Full LED Daytime Running Lamp Bar Projector Headlights for the Chevy Colorado, designed to enhance both style and functionality. Crafted specifically for 2015 to 2022 Chevrolet Colorado models with factory halogen headlights, these headlights offer a sleek black housing with a clear lens for a modern and distinctive look on the road. The set includes both the driver's side and passenger side headlights, ensuring a complete and balanced upgrade for your vehicle. One of the standout features of the Aken headlights is their direct bolt-on installation, which requires no additional wiring or modifications to your vehicle. This makes upgrading your headlights hassle-free and straightforward, ideal for DIY enthusiasts looking to enhance their truck's appearance without complicated installation processes. While the package does not include light bulbs and lacks an installation guide, it's designed for compatibility and ease of use, with professional installation recommended for optimal results. Moreover, these headlights are backed by a 90-day limited warranty, providing peace of mind regarding their durability and performance. Whether you're driving in the city or hitting the trails, the Aken Full LED Daytime Running Lamp Bar Projector headlights not only illuminate the road ahead effectively but also add a modern touch to your Chevy Colorado. If you're searching for the best LED headlights for your Chevy Colorado that combine style, functionality, and ease of installation, these headlights from Aken are a standout choice that delivers on all fronts. In conclusion, choosing the best LED headlights for your Chevy Colorado can significantly enhance both style and safety on the road. Whether you prioritize brightness, longevity, or ease of installation, there are options tailored to your needs. Remember to consider factors like beam pattern and durability to ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle. Upgrading to LED headlights not only improves visibility but also modernizes the look of your Chevy Colorado. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share this video for more updates and stay tuned for future informative content. Drive safely and enjoy your upgraded headlights.